Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix surprise charge after trial and FaceApp. So getting it charged after a free trial and FaceApp feels rough, but in most cases it's how subscriptions are set up to work. So the trial automatically turns into a paid plan unless you cancel in time, and the good news that you can still fix or minimize the damage. So actually guys, first you will need to understand why it happened. So when you start a trial, you agreed to auto renewal and the billing starts immediately after the trial ends. Even if you only used it once, it will still charge unless cancelled before the deadline. So actually guys, at first you will need to check your subscription status as the first move. So you will need just to go with your phone's settings right here and then just tap on your name at the top and then with the subscriptions, okay, option. So it's the third or fourth option. So just go with it, and here you will need to check if the FaceApp is active or expired. So if it's active, that's telling us that you have been charged and it's ongoing. If it's expired, that means the trial ended but no renewal. Okay, so this tells you what you're dealing with. And also guys, you will need to cancel it immediately to stop future charges. So even if you were already charged, you will need to tap FaceApp subscription and just hit cancel subscription just right here inside the subscription tab. Okay, and you will still keep access until the paid period ends. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.